everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate transportation sale report in Fresa application. So initially you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to My Reports module. Here we have to search for transportation sale report. Click on the report. Now fill the date range. And then click on Submit button. Once after your click, the report will get generated. If you want to download the report, then you can click on download option available here. Or if you want to send the report via mail, then you can click on send mail option provided here. If we open this report, then we can see the preview of the report downloaded as an Excel file. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate transportation sale report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.